Hello everyone, welcome to a new video for Bitcoin price prediction based on Elliott wave analysis. This is an intraday video which we gonna dive a little bit deeper in the 1 hour chart and 15-minute chart for Bitcoin to see of course what's gonna happen in the next few hours. So basically we said in the daily we are currently still testing this blue zone between the 0.618, 0.786 for a wave 1 and a 2. The problem with this wave 2 right now is that we have kind of like impulsive wave 3, which it has not been invalidated with a wave 4. If we are looking here for a wave 5, potentially this might be give us of course a wave 1 or a wave A, meaning A, B, and a C, or a wave 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 toward the downside. Now, it is even if this is a wave ABC, that means your 1-to-1 fib level will already surpass, of course. I mean, let's say we land a wave B somewhere here for a wave zigzag. Yeah, you will see that the 1-to-1 fib level already took the low. Yeah, meaning if we take the low, yeah, we're heading directly to the second blue box, which is a bigger 1-2 here. Bigger 1-2 meaning a 1, A, B, and a C toward the downside. And this impulse right now might be your wave 2, 3, 4, and a 5. Yeah, so we have, of course, to be careful with it. Now, on the 15-minute chart, we see, of course, some move toward the upside, kind of like a motive wave leading diagonal. Here we go on the 5-minute chart. You can see kind of like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, right? Like a leading diagonal. But don't forget that leading diagonal, of course, can be impulsive. But don't forget that you might be seeking after a wave 1, 2 here and then continuation towards the downside. Meaning higher potential still, of course, for the bearish here. That is because of the time, right? Taken for this wave C. Second reason is that we are in a bear market. Don't forget this. We are in a bear market. And third reason is that we can say that we finished a structure here. In 3 waves up, 3 waves down, 3 waves up again. This is a structure finished. It can be a WX and a Y. Finishing a wave B that we were expecting to have a huge wave C for it. So my fear when it was, of course, given in the deep analysis, remember that we talked about this running flat. We don't have to forget it, or WXY. We don't have to forget this. And here we go. This is unfolding right now. I'm going to show you this scenario, by the way, in the deep analysis that we had, of course. Which one was it? I think it was the WXY. Here we go. This one, guys. Well, of course, it took more time, but here we go. It's the same, exactly the same scenario that I was talking about in the deep analysis. And now it has a very high possibility, yeah, as WX and a Y. We were expecting, of course, a leading diagonal. Now it looks like a ending diagonal, but your wave 5 is longer than wave 3, therefore W X and a Y in 3 waves. Yeah, so this is what we got. Continuation towards the downside is higher potential, and that because, of course, as well, the impulse that we got here. Meaning right now, next scenario is gonna be, of course, the following. I believe, of course, we're gonna see some move toward the upside. Potentially, we might see something like this, yeah, ABC, and then continuation toward the downside. It might be a wave 2, it might be a wave B. If it is a wave B, meaning you would like to hit again this box, if you are in a wave 2 as well, possible even, yeah, to hit a little bit lower, even 0.786. Both case scenario will lead us to test this area again, yeah, as a wave 1, ABC for wave 2, knowing the time is very, very huge, but still possible. Next, coming for the deep analysis tomorrow, but definitely if this happens, we're looking for a big wave 1 here, wave 2, 3, 4, and a 5, meaning next a blue box 1-to-1 fib level to finish a wave C. meaning higher potential that we are in a continuation toward the downside, of course, for this massive drop. 3 waves down, 3 waves up, 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5. Mission accomplished, right? So basically, this is what we can get in overview. So we're gonna watch right now the targets, the following targets, of course. You can watch these targets taken from this wave 1 here. So if we have a wave 2 towards the downside or a wave B, they will have almost the same fib levels. Yeah. So starting from the 0.38, yeah, it can unfold a wave 2 toward the downside, meaning A, B, C. It can unfold, of course, this move toward the downside. Also potential to move to the 0.618 or 0.786, nobody knows, and then continuation toward the downside. Meaning now still higher potential for this impulse to unfold, of course, a 1, 2, and moving for lower. Don't forget as well, we're coming to a weekend. In this weekend, it might be a perfect range for a wave 2. And then, of course, on Monday, potentially moving further for a wave 3. If we take a look also on KGT, so on the KGT, of course, we have a bullish signal here, but it is not in divergence yet. It's not in divergence, but it might, of course, unfold this wave 2 that I was talking about it, of course, in Elliott wave, where we see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 for wave 1, A, B, C toward the upside for a wave 2 or a wave B. No divergence, meaning, of course, we will not take the highs. This is what does it mean? It doesn't mean that we will not see higher prices. We can see higher prices, but it will not take the high. 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5, or A, B, and a C. One of these scenarios might unfold the same as KGT says as well, or confirm those scenarios. That was it for Bitcoin. Thank you for watching. Thank you for your likes and comments. See you in the next one. Bye-bye.